Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard shooting mode, so iCam, then we can enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner. Now we have to find this option called delay capture. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So of course currently we've got set off option, but we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So of course up to you. I will pick 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is notified right here, which means that we can go back to the camera and check. So let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 or 5, whichever option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course, you can turn off this option whenever you want to, just by going back to the settings and tapping on off. And as you can see, right now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your INFINIX Note 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.